Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. It's awesome that you're tuning in. So in this video we are going to take a close look at the Retroid Pocket number 2. The reason why I'm doing this video, I just want to test more PlayStation 1. In the main review I did play one single game, but with extra testing we can see if all the games are running very smoothly. And keep in mind that if you're, let's say, playing on the dual boot menu or you're just going to use a separate emulator, the results can be a little bit different. But at the end, so far I know, we're going to use the same emulator. Nevertheless, let's take a close look at this. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell, and let's go.
The wolf, look, the tiger.
Jin versus Joshimitsu! Yoo-hoo!
Round one. Fight!
Yeah! Ooh! What just fucking happened? Tubby Wubby! Yeah!
Choose your destiny.
Pussy Tower! The dog. Punch him in the balls. Punch him in the balls. How can you hit me? You hit my head or something. How was the other move? Like this? No, I don't know. Yeah, I just did. Okay, so how was the analog stick? The analog stick is very responsive. Let me guess. The function on the... Oh, no, it is. Map the functions like the AB. Okay. This doesn't do anything. Bang. Ooga booga. I must say the game runs pretty well. The analog stick is very nice, but the D-pad is not suitable. I must say, I almost want to say not suitable, but I personally prefer the joystick. Woo! And jump into the game! Woo!
Worthless bureaucrats. They'd replace us all with robots given half the chance. Briefings are awful. Air is too sterile for
Okay, so we can tilt like this. Okay.
I don't have a spell ready.
I don't have a spell ready. Vanguardia Leviosa.
I don't have a spell ready.
Ready.
Okay, so it's safe to say that Retroid Pocket 2 is capable for running PlayStation 1 pretty good. And it doesn't even matter what kind of game you basically throw at it, it works very well. Maybe with a separate app you can do some more modification if you have a game that doesn't run well. But in general it's not bad and the performance are very good. So yeah, I think it's pretty awesome. We don't have an L and an R3, so if you're going to need these, then you will have a problem, and still we have two buttons that we're missing out. But yeah, that is something you need to take consideration when having this. Alright, thank you for watching. Consider subscribing, hit the little bell, comment with Wickedfamily, and I'll see you in the next video.